welcome back to another vlog. And in today's vlog I thought I'd bring you on a day in my life, and today it is bonfire night, so I'm hoping that we will see some fireworks later because this year we haven't bothered getting any fireworks at all. So fingers crossed that we'll see some fireworks later and I can show you all. Like I mentioned, today is bonfire night, so I don't know really what the plans are going to be. This is just going to be a normal day today. Won't be long, the new Wicked movie will be out and I cannot wait for that because I'm just so excited to go and watch it. Right now I'm just going to get my life together, clean this room like I always do because it always just gets into a shit tip. Like, I don't even know how, but it always does, even though I do clean it every day. But that's what I'm going to be doing, so let's roll the montage. Just go back from the shop and right now we're waiting for it to get a little bit darker so we can see the fireworks tidy, obviously. But I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, I was thinking about doing Vlogmas this year, but instead of doing it every day, I was thinking about it putting into a weekly, so do 4 weeks of Vlogmas. If anyone would want to see that, please let me know in the comments because I'll either do the posting every day or do it once a week, but I will be filming every day, so it's up to you guys what you would prefer to see. But I thought it would not be as boring then because you get to watch a longer version of a video. So yeah, please let me know in the comments what I should do about that. End out my vlog by here. Sorry it's short. I forgot to film the rest of the day and right now I'm going to bed. So if you've been watching, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one, which is coming soon.